Good day everyone, I am Andre R. Villarreal from Blink Technopreneurship team. I am one of the project engineer of the group, and today we are proud to introduce a product built for one purpose: to make public transportation safer, smarter, and more responsive to human behavior. This is Blink, or Behavioral Learning and Intelligent Notifying Kit, a safety innovation designed for the future of public transportation. Blink is more than just a device. It is our answer to one of the most overlooked threats on the road, the driver's fatigue. Today, we invite you to see Blink not just as a student project, but as a launch-ready solution with real-world relevance, especially in the context of public utility transportation in the Philippines. To understand why Blink matters, we first need to understand the scale of the problem, the global crisis. Every great product begins with a real and urgent problem. In this case, the problem is global. Our presentation shows that 1.19 million lives are lost annually to road crashes worldwide. Behind many of these incidents is one of silent but dangerous factor, the driver's fatigue. Fatigue reduces alertness, slow reaction time, and weakens judgment, making it one of the most dangerous invisible risks in transportation system. This is why we say fatigue is not just a driver issue, it is a safety system issue. And if transport systems are becoming smarter, then fatigue prevention must become smarter too. And while this issue is global, its effects are deeply felt at home. In local perspective, in the Philippine setting, the need for intervention is even more urgent. The slide shows that 2,747 deaths were recorded in 2024, which reflects to a 35% increase in fatalities since 2023. In Metro Manila alone, recorded crashes are staggering up to 86,000 in 2023. Public utility vehicles, or PUV, are especially vulnerable because drivers often travel long, repetitive, and exhausting routes under physically demanding urban conditions. This creates a dangerous patterns like fatigue develops gradually, but the consequences happen instantly. This is the gap that Blink is designed to address. So, the question becomes, how does innovation connect to a bigger national safety vision?
Hi, I'm Clarence Jim De La Cruz, the account manager of Blink Bros company. Blink is not just a technical product, it is aligned with a national mission. As shown on this slide, our concept supports the Philippine Road Safety Action Plan 2023 to 2028. This strategy emphasizes safer roads, safer vehicles, safer users, and better response systems. Blink contributes most directly to safer vehicles and safer users by applying technology to monitor human behavior before accidents occur. That alignment matters in technopreneurship. A successful product does not only solve a problem, but it also supports real policies, directions, and response to actual national needs. With that context in mind, let us now introduce the product itself. Meet Blink, a proactive companion for transport safety. Blink is described in our presentation as an economical and non-intrusive dash module that uses behavioral learning to detect fatigue before tragedy happens. Its purpose is simple but powerful. Monitor the driver in real time, identify fatigue-related signs, and immediately notify the driver through alerts. This allows intervention before drowsiness turns into delayed response, lane error, or collision risk. What makes Blink compelling as a product is that it is preventive, practical, and positioned for real-world use in public transport settings. But what exactly allows Blink to do that? The answer lies in its intelligent detection core. At the heart of Blink is a vision-based fatigue detection system. As shown here, The system used facial landmark tracking through precise 68-point facial mapping. From this facial map, Blink measures two critical behavioral indicators: the eye aspect ratio, or EAR, which tracks eyelid closure, and the mouth aspect ratio, or MAR, which helps detect yawning behavior. These values are then processed through threshold classification for instant alarm triggering. In other words, Blink does not guess fatigue, it observes measurable human cues and converts them into actionable safety alerts. Now, let us look more closely at the first of those fatigue indicators, the eyes.
Hi, my name is Brian Dil Sorata, the project manager of Blink Bros Company. One of the most indicators of drowsiness is prolonged eye closure. On this slide, we present Blink's ocular metric threshold, where the eye aspect ratio is monitored and compared against a limit of less than 0.25. When the eye closure index drops below this threshold, the system interprets it as a possible fatigue event. In that condition remains for 0.5 seconds. The alert is triggered. This matters because a fraction of a second can define whether a driver stays responsive or becomes a road hazard. Blink is designed to respond within that critical window. So, but drowsiness does not only appear in the eyes. It also appeared through another early fatigue signal, yawning. So this slide highlights Blink's oral biometric detection capability, especially the system monitor yawning through the mouth aspect ratio or MAR. So the presentation states the persist yawning is detected when MAR exceeds 0.5 for more than 20 frames, which then triggers an early stage alertness prompt. This gives Blink another layer of fatigue recognition beyond eye monitoring alone. So, even more important, the system achieved 99.0% yawn accuracy in testing. That level of performance showed that Blinks is not relying on a single cue, but on a more complete understanding. So after understanding detection methods, the question is, does it actually perform when it practice? This slide introduces the evidence behind the product's performance. The presentation describes Blink's impact through hardware performance metrics tested across different weather and lighting conditions. That is important because public transport environments are never perfectly controlled. Drivers can operate in bright daylight, low light, heat, glare, and other changing conditions, so the system must remain dependable beyond the laboratory. Blink was built and evaluated with that reality in mind. The next slide shows how fast that performance actually is.
Real-time speed. Speed is one of the strongest indicators of whether a safety product can work in real driving conditions. Based on the table in our presentation, Blink achieved a mean image processing time of 62.1 milliseconds, alert activation time of 73.5 milliseconds, and GPIO response time of 0.2 milliseconds. Together, this produced a total latency of 135.8 milliseconds, which was rated as excellent. This means the system can detect, decide, and respond in real time, fast enough to matter during critical moments of reduced alertness. For a safety device, delay is the enemy. Blink minimizes that delay and transforms detection into immediate action. Technical performance is important, but for a product to succeed, people must also trust and accept it. User-centric. Technology becomes meaningful when users are willing to adopt it. On this slide, Blink demonstrates strong acceptance among its intended users. According to the presentation, the product received an ease of use rating of 4.8 out of 5 based on community evaluation and jeepney operator surveys. Respondents perceive Blink as a non-distracting safety aid that empowers rather than intrudes. That result is significant in technopreneurship because adoption is just important as invention. A product can be technically advanced, but if users do not feel comfortable with it, it cannot create real impact. And beyond users' acceptance, the reliability of the algorithm also had to be validated. Validation data. This slide emphasizes the robustness of Blink's underlying algorithm. As stated here, robust algorithmic training helps ensure consistent safety performance across diverse driver demographics. That means the system was not designed for only one type of driver or one narrow condition. Instead, the goal is a more adaptable and dependable product that can serve as a broader public transport environment. In product development, validation is what separates a concept from a credible innovation. Blink moves in that direction by grounding its safety function in tested data. Now that we have seen the intelligence of the system, let us look the actual hardware that powers it. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Evan Padre, and this is the module or the physical core of the Blink. The module is powered by Raspberry Pi, along with the vision capturing road camera and the power bank. And Raspberry Pi enables localized computing for maximum speed and reduce data privacy concerns. Prototype also uses camera-based vision capture optimized for variable cockpit lighting and is designed to be energy efficient for demanding public utility vehicle environments such as jeepneys. This hardware choice reflects our technical thinking. The product must not only work, it must also be practical, scalable, and appropriate for the local transport channel. Transmission line. Uh, but beyond this specification, what matters most is seeing the product in action. Now, these slides present actual test in the Blink prototype. Here, the audience can see the product is not only conceptual or theoretical. It has been physically implemented and tested. This moment is important in a launch style. It moves the conversation from scratch. We are showing Blink as a working form and a working process and a real path forward application. For us, this is the point where innovation becomes tangible. Blink is no longer just an idea. It is a function safety solution. That brings us to the message we want the audience to remember. Smarter, safer, safe. These three key words captures the value of it. Blink is smart because it uses behavioral learning and computer vision. It is safer because it acts before danger fully develops. And it helps save lives by addressing driver fatigue at the moment it starts to become critical. As Blink is about modernizing. The king of the road, one blink at a time. This is our vision for public transport safety, intelligent, local, and human-centered. With that, we thank you for being part of this search. For questions, we thank you very much. We are Blink, a technical team committed to empowering Filipino operators through innovation. Today, we presented Blink as a proactive, data-driven, and user-centered safety solution for public transport. We now welcome your questions.